What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now, today, we are back with a full market update. We're going to show you a few more altcoins that I have personally bought and are holding into the next bull market. So by the end of this video, you will know those. We're also going to talk about some trading stuff that's been going on, some XRP news, some HBAR stuff. But first, you may notice there hasn't been a video in a little bit. That was because we were at Karate Combat. Here's a picture of me and Megan with AJ. And then we also have the Rare Evo founder as well, which is a conference coming up. Shout out to Rare Evo. AJ and the Rare Evo founder were very, very nice. But Karate Combat, I am extremely bullish. You know, they do have a token. I won like 60,000 tokens or something on my voting. You can vote on the fighters. We've got 120% up in a month, okay? In a month. Now, they had some huge appearances. They had Sugar Sean, the UFC fighter. They had Mike Perry. They had King Bach. They also had Nate Diaz. They had GSP, obviously, as he's part of it. Boss Rutan. Who else? There were so many crazy. Alexander Volkanovski, Aljamain Sterling. Just insane UFC people there. Reminder, Hedera is the ones that they built their token on, okay? In the Karate Combat ring, or sorry, the pit, you will see the HBAR logo nice and front and center in the pit. So very bullish. Wanted to get that out of the way, but we are back. It was in Las Vegas, so we have just got back. Let's take a look at the overall market here. We are sitting and battling the 1.5 trillion right there. This is very nice to see a big yellow on my charts, big green candle bouncing off the 1.5 trillion. If we turn it to the day, you can see that we've pushed up a lot here. We've got, you know, about 9 hours left until that candle closes there. But 1.5 trillion holding very, very strong through this bounce right here. And here I started to get a little bit worried that we are going to continue down. But Bitcoin and crypto as a whole continues to show strength here. $42,600 Bitcoin. We've got Say, Woo, Injective, Stacks, Fetch AI is a decent project. Helium, Stacks is a decent project. INJ I also like. Some decent gainers. Some decent gainers today. Our biggest losers, we have Sats. No idea what that is. Stupid. It looks very stupid. 1,000 Sats is the ticker. We've got ICP. I wanted to give a massive shout out to the ICP community. Look at that. They have finally experienced some gains. They've got 128% in this month. They ripped above $10. But when we zoom out, this is what we still look like, right? Nothing in comparison to the people who purchased at $300. Now, if you look at the volume that was happening back then, right? This is a quarter of a billion to $500 million of volume. At some points, it was almost $1 billion of volume. So there is no doubt there are people who bought ICP at like $200. Now, what I will say about ICP is they have great tech. I don't like all the venture capital involvement. I don't like how the chart looks. I don't like the community anymore after the way some of these morons have treated me inside of the community. I'll just never get involved, right? Because of just how some of them have treated me. Now, my log scale button seems to be broken right here on CoinMarketCap. But when you do turn this onto log scale, you see that there has been some more peaks and valleys. But big shout out to ICP guys for getting that money. Now, XYO has also had an amazing month, 64%. Big shout out to the ones who know about XYO. We've been talking about that one for years. Also, big shout out to the ones who listened to me when I was talking about how Algorand had never been to 8 cents or 9 cents in its entire existence, even in the freaking seed rounds. So the people who privately invested in Algorand, you're getting in where they got in when you get in at 8 cents or 9 cents. Now those people have all doubled their money if they got in. Obviously, not a financial advisor. I just know what makes a good crypto token. Algorand has extremely solid stuff in place, and I do think it will continue doing good. Once again, when we zoom out, though, you see that chart looks like nothing yet, right? We're not even above $1 yet. Now, let's talk a little bit about trading here. The copy trading on Fairdesk is still going on. We're still grinding along. I'm still scalping on there. However, with the introduction of patience.io, which is our trading indicator and private trading community, the copy trading frequency has went down. So I'm not doing it as much just because I'm giving all my good trades to the Patience members. However, there's still some on there. You guys can see my track record down here. Obviously, we're scalping, so we're going for 3. Usually, I'm going for 2 to 10% gains. There we go, 1.3, 2, 3.5, 2, 3, 1.45, and we can go up here. Recently, we also got a nice little almost 20% there. But Fairdesk is the platform that I'm trading on. You guys can sign up with the link in the description. And then if you want our trading indicators, which is honestly how I'm doing all these amazing scalps, and we have 24/7 scalping alerts straight to your phone, go and join up on Patience. Now, let's talk about Corium. So many of you might have noticed the Gold Squad validator has its status as jailed right now. That's a scary looking word, but all it means is we're switching our node platform. Okay, we're switching to a different platform. So this should be back good in a few days. So do not unstake your Corium if you're staking. But I did want to talk about Corium because they're up 200% in 1 month. And dude, every single day we were making people passive income through our Corium validator, and the tokens were worth 8 cents. Now they're worth 28 cents. So each Corium token that you earned is now worth, basically 3 or 4 times more. And that is the true power of staking, is earning inside of the token, or earning your rewards in the token and then watching them freaking go up. That's what we like to see. Now, we do have some crazy news coming out from Uphold in Canada. Uphold is delisting some of our favorite coins right there. VeChain, Injective, Shiba, Cardano, XLM, HBAR, Casper, Doge, Caspa, and XDC. So a lot of very cool utility coins that we love are getting delisted from Uphold. And now I believe it might only be in Toronto or something, or Ontario, but this was sent out to Canadian Uphold users. Not too good, man. Not too good. Now, we are now going to get into some of the gem talk. Okay, actually, no. Let's go to the XRP news first. Okay, we've got XRP news, and then the remainder of the video, we're going to talk about some new coins that I am personally holding for that next bull market. Cardano founder has rejected an XRP partnership. Could you imagine Cardano plus XRP? I think it would be a good match in terms of just how passionate the communities are. But Cardano founder has reaffirmed that he will never partner with XRP. A couple years ago, or 1 year ago, Charles and David kind of got into it. David being David Schwartz, the CTO of Ripple. Basically, Charles, says XRP people are toxic and abusive and all of this stuff. But we do need to talk about XRP. Okay, we really, really do, because I am seeing a increase in FUD recently. Okay, and whenever this increase in FUD happens, we tend to explode to negate that. And what this FUD is basically people are getting extremely bored of holding XRP, because when they log on to CoinMarketCap every single day and they check everyone else making giant amounts of money on coins that are actually moving, it's hard to stay bullish. It's hard to stay bullish for some people, not me. It's easy for me to remain bullish. It's also easy for me to not feel bored and stuff, because my new portfolio setup and my new strategy is to not buy any more XRP, right? I'm using my new money that I'm making and new capital to go into other coins that actually move, right? And I have my big nest egg of XRP. I'm waiting for staking to come out. I'm going to stake my bag, and it's going to make me more passive tokens to hold for the long term, right? I will be taking some profits, a small percent of profits at all-time high. However, I'm seeing a lot of FUD. Now we're sitting at 61 cents. This 58, right? Or kind of like, yeah, this 58 has been a very, very interesting point, right? That's where we really haven't went below for months, or a couple months now, right? This is the 12-hour chart, 75-cent wick on this day, which was pretty nice there. However, I would encourage you just to stack your bag if you want to be an XRP. I'm not actively buying any more of that thing. Now, what else do we have for XRP? We have, Link to putting on a very interesting deal right here. Basically, you get free dollars of XRP if you invest on Link 2. So if you use our Link 2 link in the description, you already get $500 free in Link 2 bucks towards your purchases. But this is where you get the Ripple pre-IPO stock. It's on here. So you can get up to 10,000, or you can earn $1,000 of XRP at every 10,000 increment of your order. So technically, if you go and invest, it's capped at 10K, by the way. So if you go and invest $100,000 into the Ripple pre-IPO, you're going to get $10,000 for free in XRP, which is super duper good there. And by the way, this is for all investors. This is not just accredited investors. This is everyone. Now, let's take a look at two different gem hunters, and this is what I've been using to kind of find some of these gems we're going to talk about. I did put out a tweet a few days ago, I believe, showing, right here. We're going to go through some of these projects that I'm in, but first one is Lunar Crush. We will be doing a giveaway with Lunar Crush soon. They are not sponsoring today's video. However, Lunar Crush is a way that you can track and find these gems on the X platform before they come out into the mainstream. Now, another platform like this is Inspect. So Inspect is actually a layer 2 built for X. And they are a sponsor of today's video, but this is a way to hunt gems. Basically, you download their extension, and it literally turns your Twitter/X into a Web3 platform, giving you analytics like popular accounts to follow. It just makes Twitter and X into a... Oh, my light went out. Oh, my light went out there, folks. I have no idea what happened, but we're going to continue like this, okay? We're going to continue like this. But Inspect, they do also have a token, and I am also a holder of the INSP token. This is the token that goes along with their platform here. But big shout out to Inspect. Go and try it out. I've been using it to, make my Twitter more crypto-centric, because I mainly use Twitter for gem hunting. Now, ICP, we already went over that. Now we're going to talk about a project that I have recently dumped a lot into, which is Proppy. Now, you guys probably have heard me talk about Proppy over the years. The Bearable Bull put me onto this one. But Proppy is at 54 cents right now. They've had an amazing month, an amazing year, 45%, an amazing 7 days. But I am still bullish. If we zoom out on the chart, like this thing has been to over $1 a lot of times, right? And they're already on Coinbase. They're on Uniswap. They're on BitTrue. So very, very nice project. If you don't know what they're doing, basically they're leveraging AI and blockchain technology for smooth and secure real estate transactions. So if you want to bet on the real estate market getting involved with crypto, you can come on to Proppy and check it out. Okay, and you can accept crypto for your home on here if you wanted to list it. There's proof of funds, research-backed investors here as well. They've got comments from the World Economic Forum. Very, very established and amazing team behind this project. It's already a full-on marketplace over here, which is just insane. So go check that out. Very nice project. Now, Clio is another one that I have just purchased. Clio is a sponsor of the channel. They are the innovative revenue generation platform. Now, wait until you hear what they're doing, okay? Because this is super interesting to me. I put out this tweet right here, and they are basically actually trying to change the world for better. So finally, a crypto project that's actually doing something for the earth and not just trying to make money here. And this is why I also like regenerative finance projects. You could kind of even call this one, except it's a bit different. I would actually say it is a refi narrative project. So what they're doing is helping people turn good deeds into the incentive, right? So a lot of people, they want you to join their email list, or they want you to download their free PDF document in exchange for your email. They're turning a good deed into an incentive. So for example, download my product brochure and we plant a tree, and the cost to you for that is 65 cents. Right? So if you can get a download for 65 cents and you plant a tree. So that's just one example. And this is their website here, Clio Tech, a unique and positive way to do good. Make sure if you're wanting to get some of the Clio token, make sure you're actually finding the correct token. Okay, so we're going to go over, this is their Twitter right here, clio.tech. And then you're going to see that they do have one for the Clio token right there. Okay, here's the Clio token. They're getting listed on Bitmart, or they already are on Bitmart. And just make sure you're getting the right one, right? Make sure you're getting the right one. They have a separate Twitter for the token, which is very cool. So sales and marketing technology platform that allows people to generate revenue using good as an incentive. So go and research that. That is one of the projects that I am recently getting into. Now, some of the other ones is Amino. We did a dedicated review video on Amino, which was very nice. We've also got Aegis, which is one of the small cap security projects. So let's go down the line and tell you the reasons why I'm in these, and then we'll wrap up the video. So Ammo, or Amino rewards. The bet here is that loyalty programs eventually turn into tokens, right? And Ammo is helping you. They even have the walk to earn. So you walk and you earn money or earn crypto by just walking. So Ammo is betting on that narrative, kind of like the fitness to earn and the loyalty program thing. Aegis, that is a security type play, and not a security token. I mean a security project, which is auditing projects, using AI to audit projects. Then you've got Proppy, which we just talked about. That is a real estate play / RWA, real world asset play. Then we've got Covalent. Now, this is the most recent one. So Covalent is a definite sleeping gem. This is more of a utility coin play. They have a single unified API for fast, scalable, historical blockchain data across 200 plus chains. So CQT is the token for that one. Then we've got Clio, which is betting on refi. Then we've got XCAD, which is betting on SocialFi. Then we've got Grapes, which also is a new project that I've just recently learned about, backed by Animoca Brands, backed by, who's the other one? Animoca, and there's one more, Amino as well. This is more betting on gaming. Okay, this is more gaming and ecosystem focused. That is Grapes. Then we've got USP, that's a security token plus real world asset. Then we've got Spool, that's institutional DeFi. And then we've got NXRA, which is just institutional crypto / utility coin. Okay, those are some of the ones I'm holding. I hate that my light went out. It's crazy. I don't know how that happened. But that is what we are rolling with for today's video. Make sure you check out some of those projects that I've mentioned for the next bull market. Proppy for sure being one of the most bullish in my opinion. But that is all we've got. Thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure you drop a like and comment on the video. Join the Gold Squad Discord. Join the Patience Discord if you want to step up your trading. And goodbye.